Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete your story on TikTok. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. And as you can see, I have already posted a story on my account. If I tap on my story, there my story will be shown. And as I want to delete it, all I need to do is just to tap on it and then just click on the arrow right here on the lower right corner, and there comes the option of delete. Just beside the content disclosure option, tap on delete, and then you can just do delete and re-edit or just delete. As I want to delete, just I'm tapping on the bottom option of delete and my story is deleted. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.